So I created a workflow that lets you generate consistent AI characters from a single prompt. I'm going to show you how you can build this in Wireflow in just a few minutes. Alright, so here's the exact workflow in Wireflow that I used to generate those two videos that you just saw, along with all of these static assets with that consistent character's face on it. And in this video, we're going to go through how it works and we're going to build one from scratch. First we need to get our character onto the canvas. For this example, I actually generated the character, but you can just as easily just upload a face and then take that face and create a character sheet using that face. So after this, we're going to take this character sheet here and we're just going to connect it to an image node. So Nano Banana Pro, then we've connected it to 4 image nodes. Then we've taken those images and connected them to Seedance nodes. And that's the entire workflow. Now we'll just build it from scratch. Okay, so we're going to start a fresh canvas in Wireflow. I'm going to start by bringing in the text input. Then we're going to bring in the Nano Banana Pro node as well. And then we'll just connect the text input to the prompt box, and this will be our prompt. So I'm just going to grab the prompt that we've already used here. And you can find all of these prompts in the workflow. I'll share in the description, but we'll just change it to be a man. Then I'm just going to make sure that this is 9 by 16. Then I'm just going to hit generate. So while this is generating, we can start bringing in the next nodes. So we just want a few more Nano Banana Pro nodes for each different scene. So we just do 3. Then we're going to use this as the reference style sheet for the character. So this is going to have all the character images on it, and we're just going to bring this green connector here into all the Nano Banana Pro nodes. So this will be used as a reference for all of these nodes. So I'm just going to go grab the prompts that were used in the other scenes here. Okay. Alright, I'm going to bring in a text input node and just paste that prompt in here, and then I'm going to connect to this top one and just make sure that it's also 9 by 16. Alright, so you can see the character reference sheet here, Maya, and I'll just click run here so we can see what that looks like. Okay, so that image just came through now, and you can see our consistent character with his little perfume bottle here. And now I'm just going to go through and set up the next prompts for these different scenes here. So I'm just going to grab them from the example workflow as well. So the easy way to add the prompt is to drag from this purple connector into the open and just drop it and then select text input. So I'll just paste that in there, make sure that it's 9 by 16 again, and then run. Then I'll do the same thing here. I'll just grab this one. Alright, there we go. So this one's going to be Maya sitting in a cozy cafe with a laptop, mid-conversation, lifestyle shot. Then this one's going to be walking down a sunny city street. Alright, so while those are loading, I'll set up the Seedance nodes as well. So I'm just going to right click on the canvas here and then type in Seedance. And then I'm going to select Seedance 2. So then from here, we're just going to use this one as a reference image. So I'm going to put it as the start frame here. Then I'm just going to grab the prompt node and add a text input, and I'll just grab the same prompt we used before. Alright, so this one just says, Maya looks at the camera, smiles, and says, okay, you guys, I have to show you this. I honestly can't stop using it. It's incredible. So I'm just going to set this to be, so it's already 9 by 16. I'm going to make it 8 seconds and make sure audio is on, and I'm just going to make it 720p as well. So I'm just going to click generate there. Alright, so it's about 2 minutes later and we have our Seedance 2 output ready along with our 2 Nano Banana Pro scenes here. So you can see same character face, different scene, and same character face, different scene. And then we have the Seedance 2 output with the script that we gave it. So this is the type of workflow that you see people using for their e-com brands to make ads or just posting on social media about UGC content. Alright, so that's the whole consistent character workflow. No GPUs, no LoRa's, no training, just a single reference image ported into Nano Banana image nodes and then into Seedance 2.